How to import custom crosshairs for Marvel Rivals. Alright, so what you have to do first is click on the setting option right here. Click on settings. Now from here, you're going to have to click on the controller option right here, which is the fourth one. Then from here, you're going to have to click on combat. Now from here, where it said reticle save, where it said default right here, click on that. And click on add new save. Now from here, you're going to need a name, so I'm going to say sub. Then from here, you're going to have to click on this option right here. It should be a third one where it said import save. Click on this. Then from here, you're going to have to input the reticle code. So I have a video on this. I have unlimited reticles, like the best reticles in the game you could have. It's all completely free. I'm going to leave the link to another video in the description, and it's going to be on the screen right now. So just click on that video if you guys want the best reticles. So just click on confirm. And as you guys can see, I have a custom reticle right here. So that's how you import custom reticles in Marvel Rivals. So this video helped. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And if you guys want the best reticles, it's going to be linked in the description. And also in the comment section, if you just click on that video, and you're going to have the best reticles you could possibly have in the game. Thank you for watching.